Can Portmore really be a serious contender for tourism revenue? A top official from the tourism ministry certainly thinks so. However, what does Portmore have to offer tourists? We have more in this report. Mention sun, sea and sand and it's Negril, Ocherius or Montego Bay that comes to mind. Not Portmore, which is better known as a dormitory community with scores of housing developments. However, the Sunshine City now wants a slice of the tourism pie, and to help make that happen, the Portmore logo was launched at a recent ceremony at the Portmore Mall. Visitor arrivals have so far exceeded expectations for the first 6 months of 2018. The Tourism Ministry recorded arrival figures of almost 3 million. Portmore is now seen as a vehicle to diversify the tourism product.
And we want to increase our total direct jobs to 125,000 and add 15,000 new hotel rooms. And so we would love that Portmore can add some of those rooms, whether in homestay or in hotels.
The bed and breakfast model works for visitors who do not want to spend time and money at a hotel, but would rather stay at home than move on to an event like a party or a festival. Some Portmore residents are already cashing in.
Especially for Bridgeport, we have many houses there right now that are available, that persons are actually a part of the Airbnb, what is happening right now. So many persons are garnering economic, I guess in finances from it really, because really even in the new scheme which is now built over by, what we call that over there, Bayfront. Many persons are in the Airbnb industries, even Caribbean estates. Different communities are now encouraging it because it's actually a way now to garner funds for Portmore to develop the community.
However, besides bed and breakfast rooms, what else does Portmore have to offer?
That we have a lot of bed and breakfast taking place in Portmore, and ecotourism is something that we are promoting in Portmore. We have a lot of attractions in Portmore where we have the Elsha Hills, the iguanas, the tainos, the cave, beautiful beaches, and also the best fishing festival in the world.
As part of the plans, arrangements are being made to have a ferry service provide rides between Port Royal and Portmore. Meanwhile, some are already gearing up and looking forward to earning top dollars.
We're one of the largest manufacturers of food in the food industry in Portmore, who have thousands of products into the US and the UK, and we are hoping that this will be able to let people know about Portmore, let them know that we are not only a little minor city, but we are a mega brand.
And yes, we do intend to expect really to benefit from the tourism in Portmore.